Good evening, traders. Welcome to the Monday's summary of the day. A bit later today, but just now I have some more time before my backtesting session. So let's go. The price moved exactly as I expected when I shared my view yesterday. Here are my zones on the daily time frame. Usually I'm not looking for so big, but this time I tried and it played nicely. But even if the market was very bearish, I was looking only for buys today. I took just one trade. It was a very sad loss, but I found in a few minutes my mistake and nothing bad. I lost just 2 pips, that's nothing. So if I started without profits the week, I didn't look for any second opportunity. I was just looking charts. So here it was my daily demand, the point of interest, a big leg out. Also I marked the institutional level, round number 3, 7 and zeros, and I've in my opinion at the current time before setting the trade, this level was important because here was nice price action which broke the last supply in here. You can see the indecision candle and big leg out to the downside, and this was broken. So I found this level very interesting. Then I also drew where is this? The 4-hour demand, also indecision candle with big leg out which broke here the last supply. The 50% of this leg out was already taken, and I was later just looking for the price action on this demand. It was like a double shield, so even if market is very bearish, I would be looking only for buy positions. So let's go to the 1 minute, to my fantastic loss. Today cluster delta beat cheated with us because at here the half hour after Frankfurt opening time there were any data. They just rewrote this and now we have beautiful volume, but on time here it was nothing. So my criteria was met. Here I found the M5 demand zone, here the equal lows just on the demand, and price reacted with the institutional level and just went up. I found my mistake because this is the compression move, and I clearly like to see the push to the down and then move up. I found this when I was analyzing my mistake. So this should be the sign for me that the buyers wasn't ready. He was any liquidity move, just rejection. And I entered here when price was just sitting on the 50%, also on this the small demand. So I took a buy, and when just 3 minutes later the price was started to going down to the baseline of the small demand, I felt that something is stinking here and better to cut this trade. And it was a good idea because of course what happened later, right? So I didn't wait for my full stop loss. For me it was clear, yeah, demand equal lows, move to the down and up. So I just didn't realize this one, this missing incomplete compression. Honestly today it was not so easy to find a trade. I found only one setup of the day which played exactly with footprint, met all my criteria. I didn't take it, just I didn't feel comfortable today. No one. I don't like to start a week with a loss. Yes, loss is a bad emotion. I'm always saying that I'm trading without emotions, but I took the lesson. I didn't see the market correctly, and just learn something. So not always the price action is so clean. I'm just happy that some of you also took a loss. Of course, this is not good that you took, but we found the same thing. So you are really listening to me and following my rules. Okay, then what I found very nice, it was here, right? We have the equal lows above the 4-hour demand zone. This move was also incomplete compression. So I know that a lot of you took many trades today, buys and sells. I'm just looking always for exactly same setups, and I'm missing some positions. I am not so aggressive trader as months ago. I just need the maybe I can say the 100% sure trades, something like this. So I need to see really repeatable move, and when I learned something here, I wasn't looking for a buy when the price action was similar with the equal lows with incomplete compression. So I didn't take the buy from here. Even entry in here was could be with high volume. This whole price action was messy, but then by zooming this out, I found that this whole price action can be the big accumulation phase, the huge drop, prices failing to make another low, and then is shooting to the upside. Yes. And what to do, what to look for, right? What I didn't like is that price missed this institutional level, but only our broker showed us this data, because take a look on the futures market. The institutional level was nicely taken here by a wick, and even here perfect rejection. So the banks knew what they are doing. They really rejected from the institutional level. It was their point of interest, but broker cut this weeks, this all touching here, and gave us only this data. Here is missing, here also, and here also. So this is why I don't trust brokers so much. I'm starting to more and more using this indicator as the OHLC to sometimes to compare what's going on. So I wasn't looking for any sell position because of this double shield, huge big daily and 4-hour time frame demand zone. So for me only the buys were interesting. So here what was nice, we had the textbook setup, the potential textbook setup as equal lows sitting on the demand. So it was nice to look for a liquidity grab. Here was even made the triple bottom retail pattern, small rejection as an invitation to take a buy, and then deeper invader for a shot. I saw that two of you shared that we are looking for this one. It was correct, but when price was going to this 50%, the volume was increasing even lower on this demand. The volume started to going up. So good that you didn't take this, because it was really deeper invader to the zone. By watching later, you can see that whole price action is just from the demand zone. So the buyers tried to be more active. So for me, with my rules, it was very dangerous to look for sells just above the 2 shield zones from really high time frames. Higher time frame means stronger zone. It is not like 1 minute or 5 minute. The really 4-hour time frame zones are extremely big. So the setup, what I was would be waiting for, I didn't take this trade, was the reaction with this leg out. Let's see on the 5-minute time frame on the footprint how it was. just one beautiful setup, exactly what I am always looking for. Here's the imbalance. This candle broke the structure, and here's the nice imbalance with 0 contracts, the perfect what I'm looking really for always. And the price nicely rejected from here and made a 20 pips wave to the upside. Very nice one. By calibrating this, it was this candle. Whoa, very long one. This one candle broke the last supply in here. Yes, and by 5-minute time frame, it was this candle. Let's mark this. So when I have marked the candle from footprint, oh no, too far. I could be looking for the candle which was responsible for the push to the upside, and it was this one. So I would not take so big stop loss. I would enter exactly here when the price was sitting on the 50 with 2 times lower volume than the measured candle. This one candle had over 200 and this one just 60. So it was 3 times lower volume than this important move, than the half of this whole wave. I would enter here and I would aim for the last good supply, which was here. It was nice, 20 pips, probably, yes, over 20 pips. So here could be the 1 to the 7, 1 to the 8 trade. Only one position today, which was for me beautiful, with nice confirmation from the footprint chart. Here is also something interesting. I forgot it. Let's see on the 5-minute, when the price was dropping from this institutional level here, started to go, someone took a very late entry to the SSL position. You can see that here was nothing, and a huge order. And it was 15 past 2. We can see the nice rejection from here. I want to mark this also. Just need to find this candle. It was this small indecision candle right here. But with the price action, honestly, I wouldn't know how to join the market here. Very high volume was played here. It was the last strong push. Yeah, so this whole move looks like compression, not so diagonal move, if this word is correct, a bit ranging, but here was the last push to the upside. It broke the this small resistance here and just fell down. I wouldn't know how to join the market here, really, but I just like to read the footprint chart after day, and to learn, to watch, to explain myself why some moves happened. Really, I wouldn't know how to join this sell, especially that my focus was only on buys. Yes, bearish market, but with my criteria, the buys were more safer for me. I'm happy that I see that you are also selling, doing totally different trades, but you find logic, you believe on your setup, and you are taking this. Very nice. Yes, no fear. Just I am looking always for one same setup, and today just one met my all criterias. The not two, not double bottom, but even triple bottom with the huge liquidity grab. Nice move to the upside, the compression with last push, and price calmed down while going back to this liquidity grab move as a reaction, as a rejection. And it was on the 4-hour supply. So only this one wave was nice for me. And when I see this move like indecision candles, you know that I would be waiting always for a liquidity grab. If here we have kind of double shield, right? He was the main sell order as a late one after rejection from the 3.7, but only futures market confirmed this, not our brokers, maybe just my broker, that he will have two zones close to each other. Some of you took a sell from here. I would be scared if this move cannot be also to the second supply as a last push, and also the entry from here with my criteria would be wrong, just with my criteria, really. Don't get me wrong, guys, because the volume on entry wasn't 2 times lower than this measured candle. So bit messy price action. I am just happy to see that price really reached the daily demand zone, and I like the perfection when price is rejecting from the edges of zones. It's all pure perfection. As here, for example. So on bearish market, my view was today really only buys, because I was waiting for the zones. So I would take, if not my loss here, very bad one, incomplete compression, very nice. I would take only this one. This as a great setup 1 to the 7. By managing this position, I would set probably just one time two times my stop loss. I was at first below this 50%, which broke previous high, the first one, and then when price made a demand on the way, so as here. So first one will be here below the measured candle, and then below the demand zone. So this would be my managing this position. Very nice trade, really. I like this price action, especially that while going to the take profit, it started to do the compression with indecision candles as a sign that we are really close to the take profit. Just by a touch, incredible, guys. This is I love really perfection on Forex. And later was too late. Is almost closure of the session. I wouldn't be looking for anything. So happy to see your profits. Maybe I am just the only one who took one trade as a loss. But I hope that you see that price is really doing the repeatable moves. All the grabbing the liquidity, the invitation, the opposite side, perfect. The manipulations as a kicking early buyers, then invite as a sell, and then once again kick both positions. Perfect. It is really nice, and I love today when I found on the chart that you didn't take this, because I also measured this one candle. Because the volume was increasing. Let's see it just on the footprint when it was the New York, 1 minute after New York opening time. Take a look. Here was the imbalance on the M5, 800 volume, and then was lower volume, right? 2 times lower, but didn't react exactly at this 50, and then this rejection week was with increasing volume. So volume was higher than the candle before. So it was nice that you found the increasing volume in this case, and it was the making invalid the setup, because the price started to really dropping. Too strong reaction to this 50. And it was confirmed nicely on the M1. Great one. Great, guys, that you are patient traders and not jumping too fast into the trade. So sorry to disappoint you with this video, but really I just explained my my loss. I found why. I also found interesting thing that here and here and even here the futures market reached their institutional level as a confirmation that it was the important one. And only here would be my setup of the day as a beautiful textbook reaction with imbalance. So yeah, that's it. 20 minutes, guys. Woohoo! We are 6 minutes. I am 6 minutes faster than usually. So that's it. Bearish market, but I would be looking for buys. Sounds funny, but with my rules, it was very, very safe. Thank you for watching, guys, and see you tomorrow. I hope that price action will be better and the moves will be stronger, not just like messy mess. Thanks again, and yeah, have a good night.